Heading back to where everything start, yeah. But them couldn't fix the road. Jeez and peace. Same way me left it, same way me come back and see it. Don't babes. Let me tell you, the great Covey. Just me. Can you tell them to fix it?
We want justice.
How got placard? Home sweet home. It's a day one of being home in Jamaica. I promise you guys, it's a whole different feeling, a whole different vibe. But this is where it all began, some 19 years ago when I got married and we moved here to where we are now. Yeah? And let's show you a little bit of the place. Yeah, I saw my community look, man. But I may tell you, I miss it. Miss my home, remember me tell you. Yeah, I'm my neighbor them and everything. Trust me. I'm going on a tour, I'm look at property. I look at efficiency. Yeah, man, I like to spot this. Some 19 years ago. Yeah. When we got this little efficiency apartment, it was just bare bones. It was just the raw concrete, and I remember, you know, I decided that I'm gonna fix it up. Yeah. I did the roof, and I was doing interior decorating at the time. I did the roof, I did the closet, the kitchen. You know, this was like a bedroom area right here, so. Yeah, I'm gonna do some sponge painting on the wall to make it look good. Yeah, man. See that? This was 19 years ago. All them design here, what you see. I can't believe. So I come home and the place look exactly the same. Exactly the same. You know. Yeah, man, but this is us. This is where we'll stay for the time being. See all the bathroom? Yeah, man. I mean, do the bathroom here. Put on the wallpaper on the wall. Nice design. Just like you walk through, you know. Nice design. I put on the molding. Yeah, put on the molding. Painted red. Yeah, see that? The place is nice. You know, if I not come to Jamaica and I want to stay at Kingston, you can rent it from me. Yes. But it's a little efficiency apartment. What them call efficiency in America, we call it one room. You have a little stove, a little fridge, sink, bathroom right there, so. And me and the wifey start life in that little room here. Yeah, see there? Watch it. That's us 19 years ago. Yeah. And the little youth, yeah, when him born at Yassa was the first place he lived, right in that room. Yeah. Morning. The walls, I painted the walls. I did the ceilings. The color, all the color. I mean, the color was repainted, but it's my original color. The bathroom, we painted. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna wake up this morning now. Don't tell me now. I'm gonna wake up this morning and look where they behind the curtain. Watch it. Now my father-in-law, man. Father-in-law love rampissy, man. Watch it. Look what the man put behind the curtain. Eh? You know, she said the man wicked to me, man. I know I'm afraid. I run me around out of the room, you know. Listen, me fly up and pull the door. I run me around. My don't laugh. It's not right. Trust me. Alright, so day one. I go up on the road a little bit. The wife want to see her mommy. Yeah. And then we saw her going after that. And as usual, can the father have to put up sign But Merry late Christmas. Look on wedding picture, man. Trust me. Back then. My familia, Joshua and Candle Katie, and me agree with them. Joshua. Lord Jesus. I put on this wallpaper here 10 years ago. 11 years. And this evening at the show. So, look at us. Hit the road, do road. Morning, make sure she see her mommy first because she will want to see her mommy. She ain't seen her mommy in over 10 years. So, I make sure she see her mommy and, you know, and Ray. And then hit back into Kingston for the show at the National Arena. And then you see how the rest of the day go. Day one, welcome to Jam Rock. So we're heading to the country. Yes, we are traveling on ferry. And I'm sure no, cause I can't believe that ferry this. Ferry has turned on the fair. Now we're not on it again. Where we go, Diane?
Old Arbor.
So that's a Candy sister. Oh, Diane, smile for YouTube. Stay there. Some superstar. We have an old Arbor. Not the new Arbor. The old Arbor. Not half of the Arbor, the whole Arbor. Lord have mercy, outer road. Lots of developments.
The highway. How will it go? The toll.
Oh, we're heading on to the toll road now. Oh, I didn't know you something. Yes, I did already there when we did there at Jamaica. Yeah. So we are here after 10 years. After 10 years. 10 more, just about more than 10 years. Almost 12 years. The wife here gonna see her mom. So it's a little tough, you know. Gonna get emotional. Let's see what happens. Share hide. Give them an update, see. Give them an update.
I'm just here to surprise my mom. She didn't know that we were coming, so.
After how long?
After 11 long years.
11 years. We in a old Arbor.
So she thinks it's just my sister who lives in Jamaica that is visiting her. So she's gonna be surprised to see everybody.
Mind she dropped them. Stay there. We in a old Arbor, you know. Yeah. We're here for the big reveal. After 11 years. Watch a banana tree grow over there, so.
The other dog. Never show up no more.
She gonna show everybody her big data. Yeah? That's what happened when you spend 11 years away. Yeah? See that? Be your things go on. Be your things go on. Look when them go over them, man. Trust me, them big and pretty. Why? It's nothing. I'm that
You're
good.
gonna say the old things?
I'm gonna say new things.
You just say you haven't made them.
I make it on the spot as I go.
That's stupid.
No, it's not.
Don't you have a notebook?
Sort of. I have it on my phone. We're in Old Harbor. This is called Old Harbor. Old Harbor.
Where's Port Royals?
Port Royal is near to the airport. It's on the other side of the airport.
Where's Glory's?
Gloria is in Port Royal.
Where's Devin's house?
In Kingston.
Mommy said we're going there.
Mommy said everything.
Where's Blue Mountain? Where's that mountain place
What mountain place?
where you climb up the river?
Duns River.
Yeah, where's that?
Far.
All the way in the mountains?
No. Yeah, sort of. See, like the highway that we were on? You keep going on that highway and just keep going for
Like hours?
maybe an hour and a half. Yeah, that. That's what I put my face. Face broke out, man. Them couple makeup on it, okay?
I want to get to Blue Mountain.
Wanna? Climb on that mountain there. See that mountain there with the pink flowers, them climb on it now. That's a blue mountain. Out here nice, man. Just peaceful and just tranquil and the breeze just a blow nice.
Cool and serene.
And the fever grass look like but I make tea.
Oh wow, that's fever grass?
Yeah. And Papa, one nice little farm man. Papa and them something there. Aloes. Beauty. Just nice. So the wife get visit mommy and we're head back into town now. I got a comedy show this afternoon, so I got to go prepare. And as usual, I can't get enough of my Jamaican landscape. The mountainous regions are in front of you when you drive on the highway. But I just can't get enough. It's just nice and it makes the trip into Kingston a beautiful one. Trust me, I gotta do a whole vlog on it.